Hello, I wanted to talk about the importance of understanding in mathematics. In mathematics, understanding is more important than memorizing. You probably are learning or have learned about complex numbers. Maybe in high school, those are numbers that involve I. And you probably learned about them the way I did. You were told just to treat basically I like a variable, a real variable like x. So basically all the properties that you've learned for real numbers you can just transfer immediately over to I, to complex numbers. The problem with that, I consider that sort of memorizing rather than understanding, because you're taking on faith, you're just taking for granted that you can treat I as a real variable. The problem is I is not a real variable, it's outside the real numbers. So what I've done for myself is I've tried to develop a system of complex numbers, starting from axioms so I actually understand what's going on. I recommend that you do the same. And just try to understand as much as math and physics as you can without just accepting what you're told. Another example is the sign of a plus b. The so-called sum and difference formulas you learn in trigonometry. Like the sine of a plus b is equal to sine a cosine b plus cosine a sine b. Well, you probably learned that like I did. Just here it is and memorize it. I suggest that you try to prove it. I proved it. It was really hard, but I think you grow in math and physics by trying to prove things. Okay, it's starting to rain, so I'm going to stop this video right now. Bye.